Hello guys and welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. Still on the reality TV show Ultimate Love. For today's gist, Bolanle's auntie sends her chill pills. Guys, we know it's the chat room section yesterday and so many love guests got messages from their parent figure and their loved ones, and it was Bolanle's turn. Bolanle's auntie has sent her a chill pill, having studied her behavior on the Ultimate Love show for 37 days. A private message was sent into the love pad, summoning Bolanle into the chat room to receive a message sent to her from home. On her return, she was so happy and went straight to meet her partner Arnold to share the information with him. She said, "My auntie said, Bolanle, you know we have a lot in common. You need to calm down. Your auntie has told you the truth. You really need to take a chill pill." Guys, we know that Arnold has been going through a lot with Bolanle in terms of communication, and then she's always wanting to take over the conversation from him and not listening. So I think this advice is very important for her at this point in the love pad. She also added that her auntie said, "Arnold is a nice guy. You guys should listen to each other. I think your auntie has found a nice way to tell you that you talk too much." Guys, she should have come out to say to you that when you and your guy are settling issues, you should be matured enough to wait for your turn. I hope this message will help you. Good luck. Guys, we can only but wish Bolanle and Arnold good luck in their communication skills. And like the auntie said, Bolanle needs to be matured enough to listen more than she talks, especially when Arnold is trying to air his own opinion on things. And she should not try to argue or prove that she's right or she's better than him or she knows more than him. Guys, you know that she's quite older than him, so maybe this is age trying to play, but let's just hope she'll be able to stick to this advice and be cool with Arnold. Guys, we can only wish them good luck. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and also for our first time viewers, we would like you to stay tuned to us by subscribing to our channel and also click on the bell button to get notifications when a new story drops. We know we got you guys. Thank you.